Good morning, Jai Sri Swaminarayan. Heartily welcome you in our online classes. Previous video lecture we have completed exercise 2B in your page number 12 up to 12 and 13 also we completed. Today page number 14 there is a down. Write in a figure, that one we do in our online classes. That is in page number 15. So first of all you read in your textbook. Write in a figure. That is in your textbook page number 15. Here down given page number 15. So you read in your textbook. First of all here give 4,000. That is the FOUR, spelling of 4, spelling of 1,000, 4,000 and 7. So we want to write in a number form, in a figure form. So in a 1,000 place we need 4 and 1 place we need 7. So here 10 place and 0 place not given. That means here 10 place and 100 place there is a 0, 0. We confirm 1 place 10, 100 and 1,000. Yes, 4,000 and 7. That so this figure is correct. Next one here gives 6,048. So we want in a 1,000 place 6 and 10,000 in 1 place we want 48. So we write in the 10,000 and 1 place there is a 48. That means here 100 place is 0 because here the 100 place not given. Now one time we confirm 1 place 10, 100 and 1,000, that is the 6,048. Next 5,978. So here in the 1,000 place there is the 5. 900. That's why in a 100 place there is a 9. And 1 place and 10 place there is the 78. So we write a 78. Now one time we check. 1 place 10, 100 and 1,000. Yes, in a 1,000 place there is the 5. In 100 place there is the 9. That's why 5,978. So our answer is correct. Last one 8,693. So we need in a 1,000 place 8. So we write in a 1,000 place 8. In a 100 place here given 6. So we write 6. And 1 place and 10 place there is the 93. So we write in a 1 place and 10 place 93. One time we check. 1 place 10, 100 and 1,000. Yes, 8,693. So our answer is correct. In your textbook, page number 14, upper 2-1 we completed in our online classes, and last one 2-1 we completed in our online classes. In between 3 you completed yourself at home, that is in your homework. Next exercise in your page number 15. First read in your textbook heading. That is heading is the write the number that follow. So here first of all give 1 place 10, 100 and 1,000, 1,005. So we want to write the next number, that is the 1,006. Next one 1,007. Afterward that 1,008 and then 1,009 and then 1,010. Next one 1,011. Afterward 1,012. Afterward 1,013. Afterward 1,014. So we write a number follow. We write the next number come, that one we write. Next one here give 1 place 10, 100 and 1,000, that is the 1,250. So we want to write a number follow. So we want to write the next number, that is the after number 1,251. Afterward 1,252 and then 1,253 and then 1,254. Afterward 1,255 and then next 1,256 Next one 1257, and then 1258, and then last 1259. So we write a next number that is come in after. So first two we completed. Next one is we take in your textbook last two one, that is we do in our online classes. That one here, one place 10, 100 and 1000, that is the 6732. So we want to write a next number, that is the 6733. So we write 6733. Next one 6734. Afterward there is the 6735, and then 6736. Next one 6737. Afterward 6738. Afterward 6739, and then 6740, and then 6741. So we write a continue number which will come. Next one, last in your textbook, that is 1 place, 10 place, 100 and 1000, that is the 7888. So next number we know 7889, and then 7890, and then 7891. Afterward 7892, and then 7893. Afterward 7894, and then 7895, and then 7896, and then 7897. So we write a number follow, that one means we write the next number which one is coming. Here 7888 given, so we write 7889. So we write after number which one come up to here given boxes. So upper one, 2 and last 2 we completed in our online classes. Between 3 or 4 you completed in your home. Next exercise, in your page number 15, count backward and fill the numbers. So here first of all give 1020, that is the 1 place 10, 100 and 1000, that is the 1020. We want to write a backward counting because count the backward and fill. So here first blank give, we write a 1090 because we want to write a backward counting. So we write a before number. Then 1018. Afterward 1017, and then 1016. Afterward 1015, and then 1014, and then 1030. So we write a backward number continuously. And second one in your textbook, there is 1 place 10, 100 and 1000, 1345. So we want to write a backward counting. So afterward here 1344 because we want to write a backward number. So and then 1343 before 1342. And then 1341, and then 1340, and 1000 1339, and then 1338. So we write a backward number, means we write a before number which one is come. So first blank 1345, then 44, 1344, 1343, 1342, 1341, 1340, 1339 and 1338. Next we take last one to that one first. So 1 place 10, 100 and 1000, 6890. That is in your page number 15. First two we complete in our online classes, and last two we complete in our online classes. We want to complete. So first here 6890. So we want to write a backward number. So we know that is the 6889, because we want to write a backward number. So we write a before number. Then 6888, and then 6887, and then 6886, and then 6885, and then 6884, and 6883. So we write a backward number. Last one in your textbook. Last one in your textbook, that is in a count backward, that given 1 place 10, 100 and 1000, there is the 8433. We want to write a backward counting, so we write 8432. That is the before number of this. 8431, and then 8430. Now we remember 8429, because we write a backward counting, so we write a before number. Then 8428, and then 8427, and then 8426. So in our online classes we are completed up to backward counting, first two and last two. Middle one you completed yourself, that is in your homework. So 15 number up to page we completed.